So here we have this 1998 February. So we can put this on the boat next month. DC1, no sunroof. Clean Eugene, as Ron Cox would say. This one's cool. This one's cool. A couple of small little things that are missing, but it's got fog lights. It's got a parking pole. What's going on here? There's no parking pole on this. Yeah, there's no parking pole on this one. It's got a crazy exhaust though. This car was originally silver. Timing belt's been changed, 194,000 clicks. Here's the VIN. Oh yeah, we're gonna take this thing for a test drive. It's got the, when I see this, I know it's a Y8. So, but it says ZC. So it says ZC. So this is a single cam VTEC engine. That I know. I don't see a VTEC cylinder though. Oh man, am I fucking this up? Is this is it a VTEC motor? I know when I see that intake. I don't know. I'm tripping. Where's Ron Cox when you need him? I don't see a VTEC cylinder. It says ZC. So I wonder if it's just a D16 Y7. But it's not a Y7 intake. God, I don't know. I don't know nothing about Hondas anymore. Let me put this, let me drive this thing. So we are coming to you live from the red DC1. We're gonna see how it drives. Clutch feels good. Single cam. This is cool. It checks out. Race car vibes, I feel like, with the exhaust. They probably went cheap on the coilovers. But the car is pretty wholesome. I like it. I mean, I wouldn't buy it, but I like it because everything is complete.